How's it going, folks? Got something I'm going to be trying out today. Picked up something off Amazon. Picked up a little impact wrench. It's supposed to be, what is it, 162 foot-pound. I'm going to see if it'll break the lug nuts on the car or not. If so, it's going in the trunk, because if Harriett broke down alongside the road, there is no way in the world that she can manually break down those lug nuts. So let's see what we get. Let's set this little camera up where everybody can see what I got going on here. Hopefully I'll get it pointed down where I need it to be. Yeah, I hope that's pointed down if the case. It's a PowerSmart. Personally, I've never heard of it. Looked on YouTube, couldn't find a single video about it. Now I gotta figure out what's the right size lug nut. Well, it's bigger than that one. Oh, that one. Alright. Now let's see if you drop it. Well, that dude fits tight. Alright, let's see if she'll break it. Uh-oh. You won't break it. Well, I guess I'm going to have to bring the big one out here. Guess I have to go get the big one. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back again. This time I brought the Avid power. That other one was 162 pounds, or foot-pounds, and the Avid power is 320. This one ought to break them off. I suspect they were over torqued. Damn, what the the hell did they torque them with? Alright, let's try another one. Yeah, what the heck they torqued them with, I have no idea. But either way, looks like the Avid power will be going in the trunk. This is a 100-pound torque extension. These are supposed to be tightened at 100 foot-pounds. So I went ahead and got a torque extension to put in here. That way there's no question about the tension of them. Alright. Damn fingers don't want to work very well. Alright. Put that one back on. Well, first, that ought to do it. Now this one is an Avid power. It, like I said, it's rated 330 pounds. And by golly, if that won't break it, then we know it's over torqued. And no two ways about that. Anyway, the one I tried the first time lighter, so I thought it'd be better in the trunk for Harriett, but evidently it's not got enough torque. Like I said, it's 162 foot-pounds torque. Well, this Avid power, it's 320, 330, I can't remember, but it's one of the two, 320, 330 foot-pounds, and as you can see, it broke them loose anyway. I think whoever put them on there put them on with an air impact and didn't even bother to check the torque. Be my guess, because they are way tight. Alright, Ferris, that'll do it for this video. Have a good one. See ya.